So we upgraded our CT as part of an expansion and renovation project here at the hospital. Offering these advanced capabilities here in a rural community definitely will save local residents trips to bigger metropolitan areas where these kind of capabilities are offered. So in our region, this offers something that is not found elsewhere throughout the region. Absolutely, there's a life-saving aspect. The advanced capabilities of this machine allows us to do better diagnostics, cleaner pictures, cleaner images.
With our hospital taking patients of size, upwards 500 pounds or greater, that table will hold a 550-pound patient, and that'll keep us from having to ship that patient out if they needed a CT.
We have had a few very large patients. They do not touch each side. They are comfortable. They have bragged about our machine. It is amazing. It really is.